Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer organization. So let's get started. In a K-way set-associative cache mapping, how is the cache memory divided? The correct answer is option A, into sets, where each set contains K blocks. Which technique allows a DMA controller to transfer one word of data at a time, after which it must return control of the buses to the CPU? The correct answer is option B, cycle stealing. In a microprogrammed control unit, what is the purpose of the control address register CAR? The correct answer is option C, to hold the address of the next microinstruction to be read from control memory. What is the range of integers that can be represented using an 8-bit 2's complement format? The correct answer is option D, minus 128 to plus 127. Which type of pipeline hazard occurs when the hardware cannot support all possible combinations of instructions in the same clock cycle? The correct answer is option A, structural hazard. What characterizes a synchronous bus in computer organization? The correct answer is option B. The bus includes a clock line that provides a fixed frequency. The principle of temporal locality suggests that the correct answer is option C. A memory location that is referenced is likely to be referenced again soon. In an interrupt-driven I/O system, daisy chaining is a method used for. The correct answer is option D, establishing priority among multiple devices requesting an interrupt. Which register holds the address of the memory location to or from which data is to be transferred? The correct answer is option A, memory address register (MAR). A RISC, reduced instruction set computer, architecture typically features. The correct answer is option B, a large number of registers and single-cycle instruction execution. Why is SRAM, static random access memory, generally used for cache memory instead of DRAM? The correct answer is option C, SRAM is faster and does not require refreshing. In the IEEE 754 single precision floating point standard, how many bits are allocated for the exponent? The correct answer is option D, 8 bits. An interrupt that can be delayed or ignored by the CPU by setting a specific bit in the status register is called a. The correct answer is option A, maskable interrupt. How does pipelining improve CPU performance? The correct answer is option B, by increasing the instruction throughput of the processor. Which component is responsible for translating a logical address into a physical address in a virtual memory system? The correct answer is option C, Memory Management Unit, MMU. In indexed addressing mode, the effective address is calculated by. The correct answer is option D, adding the content of an index register to the address part of the instruction. A hardwired control unit is generally faster than a microprogrammed control unit because. The correct answer is option A. It uses combinational logic circuits to generate control signals directly. Which type of ROM can be erased by exposing it to ultraviolet light? The correct answer is option B, EPROM. In programmed I/O, how does the CPU know if the I/O device is ready for data transfer? The correct answer is option C. The CPU repeatedly pulls a status flag in the I/O interface. Booth's algorithm is specifically designed for efficient. The correct answer is option D, multiplication of signed binary integers. What is a cache line? The correct answer is option A, the smallest unit of data that can be transferred between main memory and cache. The zero address instruction format is typically used in which type of architecture? The correct answer is option B, stack-based architecture. In pipelining, what is a branch penalty? The correct answer is option C, the clock cycles lost due to fetching the wrong instructions after a branch. Which bus arbitration method uses a centralized controller to grant bus access based on requests? The correct answer is option D, centralized arbitration. What is the primary characteristic of associative memory? The correct answer is option A, data is accessed based on its content rather than its address. The stack pointer SP register is used to keep track of. The correct answer is option B, the address of the top of the stack in memory. In isolated I/O as opposed to memory mapped I/O, which of the following is true? The correct answer is option C. The CPU has distinct instructions for I/O and memory access. Which adder circuit is used to reduce the carry propagation delay in binary addition? The correct answer is option D, carry look-ahead adder. The process of periodically recharging the capacitive cells in DRAM is known as. The correct answer is option A, refreshing. In immediate addressing mode, where is the operand located? The correct answer is option B, within the instruction itself. Thank you for watching.